attempt number 2 for second transmission.
Let's see how BD did us, son. Hope you did us good, bud.
Yeah, we had 2 gears. Let's hope we have 4 now. Be something with that detent thing holding it back.
Dustin, bro, I'm telling you.
You can't catch me.
I got you, bro. Sean, come here. Whoa, no. I'm gonna help you. Oh, man. Alright guys, we're here late night trying to go to C10 Nationals.
Without a C10?
Without a C10 with a K5 that won't shift at a second. So what we're doing is we're going to try to switch valve bodies from one model to another, and we're going to hope and pray and cross our fingers and hope that this is going to work, or I ain't gonna have 1 and 2 to even park my truck at the show. So stay tuned, we'll let you know. Check them off.
Sure.
I don't mean are they in the hole they're supposed to be in, I just mean are they in there.
They're in there. I don't know if they're in the right order, but they're in there. Alright. It probably will fall, but we'll catch it if it does.
Is that hot?
Yes.
How you like?
So we use the same gasket.
Same
You had to
gasket.
change this harness over. Was that a different style harness or something?
Different style harness.
Different style, same plug on the outside of the transmission.
Same 3-wire
But
plug.
this one's only got 1 pressure sensor, and the other one had 3.
Yeah,
So we're going to try to and put it in there.
The other one has the 3.
Where's that impact, Sean?
Right here, right here.
Don't take it off yet. Let me get over it.
Don't tell me. I'm in a hurry.
I got all night.
Tyler?
Sean's got it tonight, so we might be at C10 Nationals with 2 C10s and a K5.
Yeah. Man, you just broke that off.
Yeah.
This was the block off plate for what?
What is that thing called, Sean?
I don't know. Some kind of something. Man, you better watch out. There's a check ball in there, I think.
Is that it, baby?
No, I think it's supposed to go here. Is there a check ball in there?
I don't see one.
You sure?
No one in that one. Might be captured. It might be that last captured that we was talking about. I don't see one. I don't see a cutout for that check mark.
Where's that other gasket at? What do I do with it?
See, I'm pretty sure that there's 2 of these gaskets in that kit. 4 of them all together. I'm pretty sure.
Zip it out there.
Do we need to take that sensor out? The wire harness?
No, it's good. Just grab that. No, never mind, it came out.
They stayed in it, didn't they?
Yeah.
Alright, just look. Look. This one's about to come out anyway. Look, it ain't even in the case right here. Okay?
Alright.
So when we take this off,
We just have to hold this.
yeah, when we take this off, they're gonna stay in that. So we just gotta transfer them.
Oh crap, this one moved.
See.
I think I didn't move. This is the only one that moved. Where'd it go? Right here. He's easy. We got another check ball on here.
Put it up for it. I can't see. Where's my flashlight?
You happen. There.
Can't be perfect, Sam. It can't be perfect on the first try.
Stick it in where?
Put some hair on it.
Whoa, where went that one?
All right, here we go. Round 7.
Don't look at it for me. Give it a follow.
Straight on. Merge.
What was that?
That was a check ball.
Check ball.
Need another one.
Here, right here's one. Is a little one.
Yeah.
They're all the same time.
No, there's one big one.
I said except the one. Oh, I thought Dustin had one.
I thought I did too, but somebody done kicked it.
We're down to one. Down to one check ball. We're going to start digging out pan.
This is our attempt at deleting 8 check valves.
The guy on YouTube said so that's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing. If it works, we'll tell BD tomorrow. But dude.
He won't be there tomorrow.
Oh yeah. You got the thing with your fingers? Whenever you get the gasket, I'll let go of it. Ow, my fingers in it.
We'll get the finger out of the way. Alright, get that round, that big bolt.
Ow, my head. I ain't wound up. Oh, Sean, don't let it down.
I'm trying not to. You're just taking so long.
I need that gun. Sean said you're crazy.
What's going on here, guys?
We're about to try to make this crossover tube work.
About to remove the transmission case. Drilling out the, I guess it's a pressure hole. if the pump's there.
It's something.
Well, I guess that wraps it up for this video. We still weren't able to get this transmission to shift into third and fourth. Got some other kind of internal case issue or something else going on there with the valve bodies. So we're going to reassemble the other one and send both of them off to be rebuilt. As you can see, it's all tore into pieces, and so we're going to go to bed and try and get everything ready for C10s in the valley. Hopefully we can haul it up there and, you know, unload it with first and second gear, so at least we can make it to the show. Got Dustin, he's working on his 69 C10, trying to get it going for the show. I reckon he's going to haul it up there they got a house, so they're going to haul it up there and work on it, try and get it finished and everything buttoned up with it. So good luck to you, Dustin. As of right now, I guess we're going to sign off, and please like and subscribe and share, comment, and just trying to make this channel grow. So if you guys could help us, that'd be great. Thank you. Bye.